Our journey begins with awareness. Reflect on your thoughts and feelings, and identify a belief that feels limiting. Acknowledge its presence without judgment. Dive deeper into understanding your limiting belief. When did it first appear? Recognize its origin and the impact it has on your life. Challenge your limiting belief by questioning its validity. Is it absolutely true? How does it distort your perception of reality? Visualize your life without this belief. Imagine the freedom, the choices, and the joy that awaits on the other side of this limitation. Craft a new, empowering belief. Shape it with intention, making it strong, positive, and affirming. Feel its truth resonate within you. Embrace your new belief through affirmation. Repeat it aloud, write it down, and let it guide your thoughts and actions. Commit to your new path. With this fresh belief, take a step forward, knowing you have the power to shape reality.